working with the polynomials. So our first problem is similar to something that you've done in elementary school. 53,255 divided by 22. We look at how many times 22 goes into 53. It goes in twice. Multiply 2 times 22, which is 44. We subtract 44 from 53 to see how many times it's left over. It is 9, and we bring down the 2. 22 goes into 92 4 times. 4 times 22 is 88. Subtract. We have 4. Bring down the 5. 22 goes into 45 twice. 2 times 22 is 44. Subtract. We have 1. Bring down the 5. And we have 15. 22 does not go into 15. So this is our remainder. So our answer is 242 with a remainder of 15 over 22. Our next problem is x cubed plus x squared minus 2x divided by x. Write it out the same way. X cubed plus x squared minus 2x. X goes into x cubed. How many times? So what times x is going to give us x cubed? It will be x squared. So multiply x squared times x. It gives us x cubed. We subtract it. It gives us 0. We bring down x squared. X times what gives us x squared? It is a positive x. X times x is x squared. Subtract them. Our difference is 0. Bring down the minus 2x. What times x gives us negative 2x? It is negative 2. Multiply them together, we get negative 2x. And the opposite, we have 0. So our answer is x squared plus x minus 2. Our next problem, x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. X plus 1 on the outside, x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 under the division sign. So we have a binomial here instead of just having the x. We look at how many times x goes into x cubed, just like we did before. So what are we going to multiply x by in order to get x cubed? And that is x squared. So now we'll multiply the x squared times the x and the 1. This gives us x cubed, and it gives us x squared. We need to subtract both terms. Subtract x cubed, subtract the x squared. This gives us 0. 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. Bring down the minus x. X goes into x squared. X times. Multiply the x by the x. We have x squared. X times 1 is x. Subtract both of them. This gives us 0. Negative x minus x is negative 2x. Bring down the negative 2. X goes into negative 2x. Negative 2 times. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1 -2, make them opposite. We have 0 and 0. So our answer is x squared plus x minus 2. Our next example, x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2. X plus 2 into x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4. Same process, x into x cubed is x squared, multiply by both. So I have x cubed and 2x squared. Subtract. This gives me 0. 3x squared minus 2x squared is x squared. Bring down the minus 4. X goes into x squared, x number of times, multiply, x squared, 2x. There was no x term up here, so this is essentially 0x. Change your terms. We have negative 2x minus 4. Multiply by negative 2. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2 is minus 4. Change the signs. 0. Answer, x squared plus x minus 2. Now we have 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus 5x minus 1. We need to divide it by x squared plus 3x plus 2. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 2 into 2x to the 4th, 3x cubed. I don't have an x squared term, so I'm going to put in 0, x squared plus 5x minus 1. X goes into 2x to the 4th, 2x squared times. Multiply these together, we get 2x to the 4th, multiply the 2x squared by the 3x, we get 6x cubed, 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. Subtract everything. Negative 3x cubed minus 4x squared, bring down the 5x. X squared goes into negative 3x squared, negative 3x multiply negative 3x cubed minus 9x squared minus 6x. Change the signs on everything. 5x squared plus 11x minus 1. Add 5 times x squared, 5x squared. 5 times 3x, 15x. 5 times 2, 10. Subtract everything. Give negative 4x minus 11. X squared doesn't go into this. Our answer is 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 with a remainder of negative 4x minus 11 over x squared plus 3x plus 2. Check the agenda for your assignment, and we will
we'll go over anything that you have questions on Friday.